I'm here today to discuss the Data Guard feature on the Mazak Smooth Controls. To access the Data Guard feature, you hit this little button here, and you'll see the little hexagon that says Data Guard Setting. By pressing this, it accesses the menu for the Data Guard function. Now, what the Data Guard function allows you to do is to set up access levels for various operators, programmers, shift maintenance, whatever you like. You create a rank of 1, he is the master, and everything below him up to 8 ranks, you can add or subtract features which they have access to. Once you've done that, you can create logins and passwords for the various ranks. You can have up to 50 operators and passwords. Again, very nice feature for machines that run multiple shifts, multiple operators, multiple programs, what have you. So in order to do this, what we do is we have to call up my rank 1. The machine defaults to rank 4. They basically have access to everything. So if you've never touched this feature, this is why you have access to everything on the control. But in this case, I'm going to call up the rank 1, enter the password, and my login was successful. So now I have control to all the major functions and screens of the machines. Virtually everything is available here. Setup, tool data, maintenance, screens. But like under machining here, so for example, let's say program. I've set a rank of 2, which means that nobody under a rank of 2 can edit the program. Same with the parameters. Here I've set a rank of 2 under user and machine parameters. Let's say I want to adjust the tool data. I can actually give this a rank of up to 4 on this machine and lock out or allow access to the tool data. I also, as a rank of 1, have the ability to create or add or remove operators and ranks. So for example, let's add an operator. So in this case, we're going to call it Shift 1, and we're going to give it a password. We're going to give them a rank of 3, and we're going to hit OK. Now everything was successful. So now, when they come in on their shift, when they come up to this screen here, you notice you're going to have them log in. So in this case, I'm going to have them log in. Login was successful. If you notice, the name appeared, Shift 1, and they have a level of 3. So now, as they go to operate the machine or do something, they have the ability to look at the program, but if they try to edit, they will get the Data Guard alarm, which means they do not have access to editing the program in any way. For example, same with the parameters. When I called up the parameters, let's say they start poking around here and they want to change a parameter, again, they will get the Data Guard setting. So there's no way they can change any of the parameters. So you can see this is a very useful tool for your machine. Again, it's standard in all the Mazak Smooth Controls, and it's a very worthwhile and helpful feature.